Okay, my love. So, hi, dear Leo. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal, no contact reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 21st of August. Please keep in mind the roles can be reversed also, and if this is not resonating, this is not your story. Don't fit yourself forcibly into the reading. I beg you to do that. Okay, keep that in mind. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Leo. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Honey, let's see. Honey, 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 honey. You remember this song? This is the Four of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. Number 4 and number 8 together is telling me this is a matter of stability. This is a matter of long-term partnership, committed relationship, something that's going to give you a safe, secure, and long-term kind of energy. Now, this is someone who feels like they should work on their commitment phobic kind of nature. Whenever it comes to commitment, long-term partnership, marriage, having a good life together, having a long-term kind of connection, this person feels like they just freeze. Although they strongly feel the desire, the energy, the urge to have a beautiful, happily ever after kind of a deal, committed kind of a relationship, but they are helpless in this case because they have so many bad experiences in this area of their life, but that they can't just open up, right? They can't be just fully available, or I don't know why they always start the drilling when I start the readings. I don't know what is happening. It's irritating. Anyways, coming back to the reading. This is somebody who feels like they should open up, and they feel like they should put in the effort and energy to start opening up to the bigger picture, to the bigger reality, that at some point of time they also want to have something long term, committed, happily ever after, something that's going to be there for them for the rest of their lives. They have problems in opening up to these kind of energies. Now they feel like putting in the effort and energy to start opening up slowly but surely, and releasing the pattern, releasing the unresolved issues. That's really good. That's freaking amazing. Somebody's feeling like because of this situation between you and them, you were the last hit on the nail. You know, because of this situation, now they are learning how to start opening up slowly but surely and working on this factor of their life, because they're not able to give full attention or full energy to these kind of situations in their life. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Justice, the Temperance, the Death. Justice, Temperance, Death. Three major arcana card in one line. Something transformative, something major is happening in their life. Now, they want to do everything in their life right. They want to do justice with themselves. They want to do justice with their karma. They don't want to wait anymore to transform their life, to change their life, and to bring the balance in their life the way it should have been a long time ago. So Leo, this is somebody who is going through major life transforming energies, life transforming phase of their life, and they want to make good use of this phase as much as they can to have a balanced kind of life eventually and finally, after realizing that they are the problem here, not anything else, not anyone else. Nothing is to blame here, no one is to blame here, but they are the problem here, and they are trying to sort it out. This is a very good energy. Whosoever you were connected to, now they're transforming. It's taking them a lot of strength and courage and lot of effort and time, but they are trying to figure it out so that they are not going to repeat the same kind of cycles again and again and again in their life. At least they're having the awareness and they are trying to work on this. That's good. That's how the real healing starts. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 21st of August. We have the Judgment, the Three of Pentacles, the Five of Swords. See, Leo, I don't see a strong possibility of reconnecting with you from this person's side, but there are chances that this person might ask for forgiveness, might ask for, okay, let's not be each other's enemy. I want to release this properly. I want to ask for forgiveness and maybe come back together as friends or as acquaintances or something like that. Although it's going to be very, very stressful for them, they are going to think about it a lot. They are going to think about day and night whether they should come forward towards you or not. But their soul is definitely reaching out to you for forgiveness so that they can be free. Okay, but for most of you, I don't see this person literally reaching out to you on a human level and asking for forgiveness, because again, this is going to be so stressful for them to literally do it. They are going to end up doing nothing about it. But trust me, this chatter is continuously going on in the background in their mind, where they are continuously thinking about asking for forgiveness so that they can liberate themselves, so that their soul can be free, move to the next chapter, next partnership, next collaboration in their life. This person is going through a life transformation, life changing, transformative phase of their life, where everything is going to be totally, totally different from what it used to be, and it's never going to be the same again for them in this life. This is again a life changing phase of their life where everything is going to change and nothing is going to be the same again. Their intention, their energies are definitely of at least having a proper communication with you so that they can liberate themselves and you also. But their mental chatter and their mental stressful energies and their mind is continuously telling them to not to go in this direction, so they might not come towards you, but their soul is going to definitely ask for forgiveness and liberate themselves properly, even if they are not going to do it on a human level. There are very less chances of them reaching out to you. For few of you it might happen, but not for most of you. For the guidance is the Two of Pentacles. I don't think so you are still holding on to this person to come back around and everything is going to be fine and you guys are going to have this happily ever after kind of a deal, Leo. I don't think so that you are still holding on to this energy. But if you are confused between this person or somebody else, you know, I told you the energies of this person very, very openly and honestly. Now you can decide for this person with all of your heart and soul. Your decision should be taken from heart, should be taken from this energy of knowing if this person, this energy is the right one for you or not. If by any chance you're confused between this person or somebody else and you have to choose between this person or somebody else, and or if you're confused between whether you should let this person go completely out of your system or not, whether you should move on completely from this person or not, I am giving you the green signal here that you should definitely move on, because this person is going through a very transformative phase of their life and nobody knows when this phase will end and who they are going to choose or what they are going to choose at the end of this transformation. This is not an easy phase of their life. This is something that's taking a lot of strength and courage out of them. So don't wait for this person to show up in your life anytime soon. It's going to take them a lot of time to come back to you in a correct way. And I don't know at that time whether you are going to take them back or not, or they will be coming back to you in that manner or not, because right now it's not happening. So if you are confused, not able to make up your mind or understand what you should do, please start moving on and keep moving ahead without expecting somebody to chase you or run behind you or cry for you, because right now it's not happening. I don't know, it might or might never happen, but it's not happening. Yeah. Yeah, you can call me a bitch or anything. I don't care anymore because I have heard this term so many times. I am liking it now. I'm a bitch. Yeah. Thank you. Love you too. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.